The AI gold rush is here, but honestly, most people are chasing fool's gold. They're learning to write basic prompts or tag data, the exact jobs that AI itself will get frighteningly good at automating in the next few years. And if you don't have a computer science degree, you probably feel locked out of the whole thing. But the truth is, your skills might be more valuable than ever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 future-proof, 6-figure careers that are hiding in plain sight in this new AI economy. Look, I'm not a psychic. But after years of helping businesses actually use AI, I've seen which jobs companies are desperately trying to fill. And I can promise you, they aren't the ones you think. These are roles that can't be outsourced to an algorithm because they run on uniquely human skills: strategy, communication, and real-world problem-solving. The biggest mistake people make is trying to compete with AI on its home turf, raw computation and data processing. The secret is to do the complete opposite. The real money and the real job security are in the roles that work alongside AI, the jobs that demand a human touch. So if you've been watching this AI wave from the sidelines wondering, where do I fit in? This is your game plan. Let's get into the 5 careers you can start building today. First up is one of the hottest roles right now, the AI consultant. Think about it. Every single business, from your local coffee shop to massive Fortune 500 companies, knows they should be using AI. They see it everywhere, but they have absolutely no idea where to start. They're paralyzed by the options and terrified of being left behind. That's where you walk in. An AI consultant is part translator, part strategist. You don't have to be the one building AI models from scratch. Instead, you diagnose a business's pain points and prescribe the right AI solutions. You're the one who figures out how to use AI to automate sales emails, streamline customer support, or optimize a messy supply chain. You are the bridge between the crazy complex world of AI and the real-world needs of a business. So why is this future-proof? Because it's built on strategic thinking. An AI can't sit down with a CEO, understand the subtle culture of her company, and then map out a custom AI integration plan. That takes empathy, communication, and a deep understanding of how a business actually breathes, skills that are incredibly tough to automate. The income potential here is huge. Depending on location and experience, consultants can start in the $70,000 to $100,000 range. So who's this for? It's for the problem solvers. If you have a background in business, marketing, operations, or project management, you're already halfway there. You get how businesses work. The only thing you're missing is becoming AI literate. To get started, you just have to immerse yourself in the world of business AI. Start learning the most common tools. Things like workflow automations with Zapier or Make, customer service bots like Intercom, and how generative AI can be used for marketing. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to understand what the tools do and which problems they solve. The second future-proof career is the AI product designer. Think of it as a user experience designer for the age of AI. For decades, designers have obsessed over how we interact with screens. But now we're talking to our devices, co-creating art with AI, and letting algorithms guide our choices. The AI product designer's job is to make sure those interactions feel natural, intuitive, and trustworthy. They answer the big questions. How should a chatbot admit it doesn't know something? What's the best way for an artist to collaborate with an AI image generator? How do you design an interface so a complex AI doesn't feel like a scary black box? This job is less about pixels and more about psychology. This career is safe because its entire purpose is to advocate for the human on the other side of the screen. While AI-assisted design tools are getting better, an AI doesn't experience frustration, curiosity, or delight, so it can't be the ultimate judge of what feels right to a person. As AI weaves itself deeper into our lives, the need for people who make that transition feel human is going to explode. In terms of pay, the demand for designers who get AI is pushing salaries up. This is the perfect role for anyone with a creative and empathetic mind. If your background is in design, psychology, or even customer support, you have a huge head start. You already know how to listen to users and understand what they need. To start, blend what you already know with a solid understanding of AI. Go use popular AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney and analyze their designs. What feels good? What's clunky? Look up free courses on UX fundamentals and human-computer interaction. Your goal is to become the person who can translate human needs into a design that the engineers can build. The third career is one you've heard of, but it's completely misunderstood: the prompt engineer. The myth is that this job is just about typing questions into a chat box. That's the part that will become obsolete. Real prompt engineering is way more sophisticated. It's a mix of art and science, a blend of language, logic, and creativity. A great prompt engineer doesn't just ask a question. They construct detailed, context-rich instructions to guide the AI toward a specific high-quality result. It's the difference between asking, "Write about sales," and commanding it to act as a senior sales consultant with 20 years of experience in B2B software. Write a 500-word email to a potential client who's gone cold. Adopt a tone that is persistent but not pushy, and end with a clear, low-friction call to action. This is a powerful role because as AI models get smarter, the leverage you get from a perfect prompt grows exponentially. It's a new kind of programming, but the language isn't Python. It's plain English. Companies are waking up to the fact that the quality of their AI output is directly tied to the quality of the prompts they use. This requires a feel for nuance and context that isn't easily automated. The pay for skilled prompt engineers reflects this value. While you can find starting points around $60,000, the average salary is much higher, with many sources reporting averages between $120,000 and $136,000. Top-tier talent, especially in competitive fields like finance or law, can pull in salaries well over $200,000. This is a career for the wordsmiths, the logicians, and the creative thinkers. If you have a background in writing, law, or any field that demands sharp, precise communication, you've got a natural edge. To get started, pick 1 or 2 advanced AI models and go deep. Get an account and just spend hours experimenting. Treat it like a musical instrument. Learn its quirks, its strengths, and where it falls flat. Start a document of what works and what doesn't. There are tons of free guides online that teach advanced prompt design. Your goal is to build a portfolio of prompts that produce amazing results. Now, before we hit the last 2 careers, let's be real for a second. Watching a YouTube video is a great first step, but the only way to actually land one of these jobs is to take consistent action. So if you're serious about this, I've put together a free guide with the top 10 resources, courses, books, and communities for each career we're talking about today. It's the ultimate starter pack. To get it, just click the link in the description. It's totally free, and it's my way of helping you go from just watching to actually doing. Our 4th career is the AI trainer, sometimes called a data curator. This is one of the most vital and overlooked jobs in the entire world of AI. AI models aren't born smart. They're taught, and humans are the teachers. An AI trainer prepares the curriculum. This means gathering, cleaning, and labeling huge sets of data to make sure the AI learns from high-quality, relevant, and unbiased information. For example, an AI learning to spot diseases in X-rays needs a trainer to feed it thousands of accurately labeled images. A chatbot being trained for customer service needs a trainer to show it examples of both great and terrible customer interactions. This job is human-centric, especially in specialized fields. An AI learns from the data you give it. Without a good teacher, it can easily absorb the biases, inaccuracies, and toxic sludge of raw, unfiltered internet data. AI trainers are the guardians of quality and ethics, a role that requires critical thinking and expertise in a specific subject, not coding. You are literally the teacher in the AI's classroom. Income here varies a lot based on the expertise needed. Entry-level data labeling can be hourly work, maybe $15 to $25 an hour. But this is a field where domain knowledge is king. For specialized roles, like curating medical or legal data, salaries are much higher, often landing in the $70,000 to $95,000 range or more, because that expert knowledge is the most important qualification. This path is perfect for anyone who is detail-oriented and has deep knowledge in a specific field. Are you a paralegal, a nurse, a historian, or a financial analyst? Your expertise is exactly what's needed to train professional-grade AI. You know what good looks like in your field. To get started, leverage what you already know. Look for remote roles titled Data Annotator, Search Quality Rater, or AI Trainer on job boards. In your application, don't just say you're a data labeler. You're a medical data specialist or a legal document curator, here to ensure the next generation of AI is accurate and reliable. Our final career is the AI automation engineer, specifically one who lives in the no-code world. This is the person who can build an entire automated business process without writing a line of code. Using powerful tools like Zapier Make or N8N, they connect different apps and AI models into workflows that save companies thousands of hours. For example, an AI automation engineer could build a system that automatically grabs an email from a new lead, sends that data to the sales. CRM uses AI to draft a personalized response and schedules a follow-up, all while the sales team is sleeping. One person can now build what used to take a whole team of developers. This role is incredibly secure because it's all about systems thinking. It's about spotting a bottleneck in the business and creatively connecting existing tools to fix it. While AI can write code, it can analyze an organization's uniquely messy workflow and design a custom, multi-step automation from scratch. That takes a human who sees the big picture. The earning potential is massive because you are creating a direct return on investment. Freelance automation experts can charge thousands for a single project. In-house AI automation engineers can earn salaries from $90,000 to over $150,000, with top experts commanding even more as companies realize how valuable they are. This role is for the tinkerers and the efficiency obsessed. If you love building systems and finding clever solutions to problems, this is for you. It's like playing with digital Legos. Your first step is to get your hands dirty. Sign up for free accounts on platforms like Make.com or N8N and just start automating your own life. Create a workflow that saves your email attachments to Dropbox, or one that posts your social media updates for you. Build a few small but impressive projects, document them, and you've got a portfolio. Then, you can start offering to solve a small problem for a local business, maybe for free in exchange for a great testimonial. So there you have it, the AI consultant, the AI product designer, the prompt engineer, the AI trainer, and the no-code automation engineer. 5 future-proof careers that can lead to 6 figures, no computer science degree required. The AI revolution isn't a private party for coders. The biggest opportunities are for the connectors, the people who can link this powerful new tech to real-world problems, human needs, and business goals. Your unique background, whether it's in business, design, or writing, is a feature, not a bug. It's the key that lets you see solutions a pure technologist might miss. The gold rush is on. Don't waste your time chasing fool's gold. Now go build your future.